Hello everyone, my name is Eileen Villahermosa and here is my JS project event presentation for the Rock Band project, which brings in interaction with my HTML and CSS. I will also share a reflection of my experience as a whole. I created events for user interaction, one for my contact page on the message form and another on the side navigation for all the secondary pages. Let's take a quick look at my event.js file. Here is the setup function, which is for the purpose of recognizing the page has loaded first before running functions. For instance, to place a focus on the name input field on my contact page message form. Next, we have the functions to throw an error message if the input fields are not entered correctly by the user. Here's the one for the name input, email input, subject input, and message input. An if statement was utilized to be able to recognize which input to get. Then last, we have the functions for my side navigation interaction of opening the navigation and closing it. Let's take a look at the web page now with this type of interaction. Let's head on to the contact form. Here you can see page has loaded, and then the focus is here at the name input field. Let's leave this blank. Let's put a wrong email here, leave this blank, leave that blank, and leave this blank. Here we go. Now let's make sure that if you put something in there, those arrows will go away. And there we go. And let's check the navigation. Yep, navigation's working on each page. Let's check that. Tour dates. About the band. Contact. And then let's make sure this close button works. There you go. Alright. So, being a novice with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but having a great passion for them, I was surely excited to get rolling with this DWS1 course. I've only really had some HTML and CSS exposure and rarely any JavaScript. I found HTML to be really easy, and this course taught me the importance of HTML semantics. I also learned dynamic HTML, where data is coming from different avenues, like from JSON data. CSS was something I was truly excited for. I love design, and CSS is all about design. However, while it's fun to see the power of design in CSS, I also learned how cumbersome and complex it could be to manage, as you can easily have more than 1,000 lines of CSS codes. The key is to keep it all organized and to be sure to make comments of what is what. It surely helped me manage it all and not get lost within my CSS file. The DWS1 course provided a wealth of resources and best practices for me to gain a lot of knowledge and skills with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Looking forward to advancing my skills further in the upcoming DWS2 course. Thank you very much for watching.